Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Free Fire notifications for events, ranked session, resets, or reward reminders? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your phone settings, then scroll down to the list of apps to find Free Fire or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's green, tap on it to turn it green. Check the style alert below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none, since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Scroll to the top of settings again or go to the search bar again and then search for focus or find focus. Once you find it, tap on it and then go through each mode you use, sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure that Free Fire isn't in silence apps under each one, since Free Fire runs limited time events and sessions resets on a schedule. Having these notifications working means you do not miss reward windows, and that's it. So all you've got to do is go to your settings, Free Fire, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus mode checks, Free Fire alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.